Assalamualaikum and hi, we are from Group 10, so we will present our group project. This is our group members, Wan Muhammad Wais, Muhammad Sharizan, Harid Muklis, Nur Fateh Najiha, Nur Kamarina Miza, and Patricia.
Introduction. Our team are assigned to construct a new multi-purpose development in Iskandar, Malaysia. We are analysing the project and making a proposal based on our design and project characteristic. The goal is to decide whether the company should proceed with the project using engineering economic analysis. Our objectives are: first, to assess the company's financial position and determine if the project will proceed. Second is to identify problems and provide solutions by following a structured decision-making process. Third is to analyze the project's economic viability using the benefit cost ratio method. Company background. Sunway Constructions is a leading construction company based in Malaysia. It was established in 1981 by Tan Sri Dr. Jeffrey Chia Fook Ling. Sunway Construction has completed numerous high-profile projects in Malaysia such as Sunway Pyramid Mall and Sunway Medical Centre. It has also expanded its presence internationally, undertaking projects in countries such as Singapore, India, China, Thailand, and the Middle East. This is Sunway Construction Corporate. As we can see, under Sunway, there are three main business, which are integrated properties, construction, and investment. That's all for introduction. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Patricia Joanna Tikong. So today I will present about analysis on the company performance from the company finisher, we choose Subway Construction as our performance from this year. Okay, this is the latest balance sheet statement, which is 31 March 2023. For this, show the profile of the year, which is total income and loss for the period ended 30 March 2023 is RM 179,788 units. Meanwhile, for the income and or loss in the 2022 is 109 865 ringgit, which is mean this year 2022 is increased than one increase more than 2023. Next is income statement. So this is the income statement for the 2022 and 2023, which is for the 2022 is 34,271 ringgit. Meanwhile, for the 2003 is 21,020 ringgit. So this mean is 2022 is more increased than 2003. So for the this year, it is very increased for the income statement. Okay, this is the last one, which is cash flow. So this cash flow refer to amount cash of the equivalent. So the cash flow is from operating, investing operation, and financial activity. So these three type of cash flow for the business. So the total part of the cash flow 2023 and 2022 is more, which same balance, which is 2 million, but in this case we can see from this table the 2023 is higher more than 2022, so we can see the different the balance of the cash and cash equivalent for this year. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, we are going to problem solving. For Sunway Construction, face a material stock challenge due to inflation. We create a seven-step process to optimize procurement and mitigate delays and overcome. This framework ensure project excavation despite inflation. For first solving is a problem identification. For the issue is clear, define and identify the challenge posed by inflation in maintaining adequate stock of construction material. Second, information gathering. For the issue, conduct the extensive research to gather comprehensive data on market trend related to construction material. Third, alternative elevation. Explore alternative supplier to diversity the supply chain and reduce dependency on single source. Four, solution gathering. Brainstorming potential solution to address material stock management challenge caused by inflation. Fifth is decision making. For the issue is evaluate the alternative and generate based on their potential impact on material stock management in the context of inflation. Six is implementation. For the issue is revise procurement strategy to adapt the challenge posed by inflation and ensure a stable supply of construction material. And the last solving is elevation and monitoring. Establish a system for regular elevation and monitoring of the implemented solution.
Okay, now we are going for project management. The company intends to acquire a piece of land from both a local owner and the state government with a projected cost of approximately Rm 40 million. The estimated construction expense are Rm 3,200 per square meter and an additional Rm 2,000 per square meter is allocated for service. Yearly maintenance costs are expected to be around Rm 4 million. At the completion of the project phase, the company plans to sell some construction equipment at a market value of Rm 20 million. Moreover, revenue regenerated through direct and indirect business is anticipated to amount to Rm 15 million with an additional Rm 6 million in fees collected by local and state authorities. The area used for construction is 52,000 square meter and the project is scheduled to be complete within a period of 5 years. Next, life cycle costs. The summation of all costs relate to a product, structure, system, or service during its lifespan. There are two phases in life cycle costs. The first one is acquisition, and the second, operation.
Work breakdown system. Preliminaries, annual report, earthwork, building work, external work, landscaping work, mechanical and electrical.
Okay, this is benefit cost ratio calculation with present worth for conventional. Here the calculation of benefit cost ratio for modified with PW. Okay, now calculation of benefit cost ratio for conventional with annual worth. And the last one is calculation of benefit cost ratio for modified with annual worth. Therefore, according to benefit cost ratio calculation, the project cannot be accepted because benefit cost ratio less than 1 in terms of economic evaluation.
And last but not least, I'm going to talk about the conclusion. So there are three financial providers, but we decide to choose Maybank because it has the less interest, which is 5%. And from that, we calculate the benefit cost ratio. So for our project, the BCR values obtained for both the conventional and modified approaches is less than 1. This indicates that the anticipated benefits of the project are insufficient to cover the associated costs, resulting in net loss. Therefore, it is concluded that the project is not economically viable and cannot be processed with. So in conclusion, we can say that the project will not be proceed because it is financially unviable for Savia Construction to go with the project. Despite the project's current financial constraint, it is worth noting that Sunway Construction maintains its reputation as a reputable and esteemed player in the construction industry, known for its expertise, commitment to quality, and diverse capabilities. I think that's all from me. Thank you. With that being said, I think that's all from our group, which is Group 10. Thank you.